Hey Joe, long time no see. What are all these boxes doing here?
Oh, hello, Mr. Patman. It's actually your latest DVD, and I'm sharing them with my network. I'm so excited. I'm shipping these out to Africa. I got some for Asia. I got Australia over here. Look at all these for going to America.
Unbelievable, Joe. I'm so happy to find out that you're distributing our training material all over the world. I need more people like you out there in our network. And if you keep up this good work, I'm very sure that next year V Studios are going to create so much more. Hello? Mods? Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just around the corner. 15 minutes, I'll be there. Same place. See you there. Bye. Where did I put it? Where is it? Ah, here it is. Well, guys, I've got some great news and some bad news. I just met an IR called Joe, and I just found out that the past 1 year we have distributed over 5 million of my DVDs all over the world. The bad news is V Studios is shutting down tomorrow. Remember, guys, duplicate good deeds, not DVDs. Buy original. Hi, firstly allow me to introduce myself. My name is Patman Senathirajah, and for the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to two exciting, sexy corporations, starting with QNet and then the V. Now, a few hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 1 week, 1 month, doesn't matter, right? Somebody called you. You were most probably sitting comfortably on your sofa watching TV, or you were in the office or somewhere, or a complete stranger approached you and told you that they wanted to show you an opportunity. Now, your first reaction most probably was not very positive, and a lot of things ran through your mind, like, is this an opportunity? Is it network marketing? Is it MLM? Is it a scam? But finally, all right, whether you decided or the other person forced you to, you sat down, either in a Starbucks, all right, or even without coffee if that guy is slightly stingy. All right, and he showed you, or she showed you, the QNet business opportunity and shared with you a range of products, either on the iPad, mobile phone, or they were carrying 2 huge bags of products to show you. Now, after viewing that whole presentation, experiencing it, all right, 2 things that led you to watch this video. Firstly, you said yes immediately to one of the most exciting business opportunities the world has ever seen. Or secondly, you said the bad words, I will think about it. It's bad for the guy who showed you the opportunity, not for you exactly. And then you wanted more information. So here is me, gorgeous Patman Senathirajah, giving you enough information, firstly to remove all the preconceived ideas and ridiculous information you have accumulated on your journey of life about an industry called network marketing. And with all the information I'm about to present to you, all right, you are going to make an educated, inspiring, exciting, life-changing decision. All right? So please don't stop the video right now and keep watching. Firstly, QNet is a network marketing company. Whether you want to call it direct selling, MLM, all right, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. I'm telling you, it's a network marketing company. Now, what is network marketing? I think there's about 1 million opinions of what network marketing is. So let me put all the opinions out the window. Firstly, network marketing is an industry. Like any other industry, the automobile industry, the information technology industry, network marketing is industry. Now, here's what's going to shock you. Like you, when I saw this presentation for the first time many years ago, all right, I thought this industry was small. But let me tell you, all right, this industry has crossed over 180 billion US dollars in annual turnover. Let me repeat this if you didn't hear me the first time. 180 billion US dollars in annual turnover, making network marketing a respected, huge, unbelievable industry. All right? So now you got the facts. Okay? You can verify this. Google whatever I'm about to say till the cows come home. I'm cool with that. Now, QNet is a network marketing company. All right? We've been around for over 15 years. Now, to the common man and the guy with not much, intelligence, this doesn't mean anything. But in the industry of network marketing, there are tons of companies all over the place. All right? Thousands, if not maybe even over 1 million network marketing companies around the world who come and go. All right? Some people call them fly by night. Some people even call them scam companies, a word which you will be hearing a lot. All right? Why? Because they don't last. They come this year, they close down next year. Some of them don't even last more than 6 months. I even know companies which never even cross the first month. But the reason why I'm telling you that QNet is okay, because we have crossed 15 years. Now, I'm not a genius. Actually, I am. All right? I'm just kidding. Okay? We have crossed 15 years. What does it mean? It simply means that it works, that it's a genuine company. Because how many companies do you know who have crossed 15 years of existence and then vanish? All right? So we have crossed 15 years. We are stabilized. Now we have millions of people like you who have already purchased a product from us and are now building their organization with us. Not only in the country you are watching this video, but practically all over the world. Now, how is this possible that a 15-year-old company has customers and business partners in practically every country in the world? Let me introduce you to the internet. All right? Now, QNet is 100% an online network marketing company. That means everything you do with this company is online. That means you can do it on your mobile while you're in the bathroom. You can do it on mobile while you're driving. Not advisable. You should focus on driving. You could do it practically everywhere. All right? QNet is an everywhere business, online. All right? Giving you access to build your organization and refer people, all right, into the business practically in any country in the world. So you could be sitting in Dubai, Mumbai, Moscow, all right, Cote d'Ivoire, okay, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Indonesia, all right, Germany, whichever country else, Iceland, South Africa, and you could refer somebody to your business to buy a product from QNet practically anywhere in the world. All they have to do is go onto their laptops, iPad, mobile phone and look for this address, www.qnet.net. Please memorize this and get attached to it. It's fundamentally important. All right? And they purchase a product and inform the company through a very simple system that you referred them across the planet. And that person belongs to your organization. And if that person starts to refer more people in that country, they belong to your organization. Unbelievable concept. Now, QNet is the only, if not very few, I'm convinced the only one, all right, which is a 100% online, legitimate, proven track record network marketing company belonging to a over $180 billion industry, which is how old? Over 100 years old. Along the way of this video, I'm going to reaffirm facts to you, all right, so you get more confident and more comfortable of becoming part of QNet. Now, of course, there is something running to your mind right now, that it's completely online. How can I trust this company? That's a very valid concern. So let me put that concern to rest. Now, QNet is over 15 years old. All right, we started in the Philippines, all right, in Manila, back in 1998, humble beginnings. I know you're not impressed. If you haven't been to Manila, it's an amazing, beautiful city, but not exactly the economic center of the world, all right, not exactly, like some other very developed countries, but beautiful country, great people. Now, QNet today, after starting in Manila, went to Hong Kong. See, now you know, Hong Kong, all right, the most respected economy, the most stable government, and every major Fortune 500 company in the world is based out of Hong Kong. So QNet headquarters, Hong Kong, all right? Offices, all right, with reputable addresses, you can check it out. And then, that was just the beginning. Then we started to spread our wings. And QNet, with humble beginnings, started to speed up, step on the accelerator with people like you, spreading the business all over the world. Then we moved over to Malaysia. Now today in Malaysia, QNet's home is a 15-story tower called QI Tower. Now what's QI? Now QI is the parent company that owns QNet. All right? Our mom and dad basically. All right? Strong, all right, multinational, multi-diversified, multi-million-dollar organization QI has QNet as one of its key subsidiaries. So now we are in our very own tower, actually where I'm recording this video right now, on the 9th floor. Okay? So that's stability. Now that's not enough for you. I understand. You may have never been to Malaysia before and may not be very convinced. So QNet now has spread its wings. We have offices all over the world. Whether offices we own ourselves, like in UAE, Singapore, Turkey, Frankfurt, all right, and some are in Rwanda also, okay, Indonesia, okay, and we partner with reputable, strong business partners to help us serve people like you better wherever you are on the planet. Now remember, QNet is online. So you purchase a product and we ship it to you wherever you are in the world. So right now, after watching this video, you will go to www.qnet.net and purchase and enroll with the greatest company and the greatest business opportunity. And guess what happens after that? We deliver the product directly to you wherever you are. Now QNet has partners with some of the best logistic partners in the world, and we have even created 6 logistics hubs, making it easier for us to deliver product to you faster, to your doorstep, like Amazon.com. Simple as that. QNet delivers a product anywhere on the freaking planet. You could be in South Africa or Iceland or in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We'll deliver it. Now, QNet, to even strengthen its brand name even bigger, stronger, louder. Now, why is it important for a network marketing company to strengthen its brand name? Simply put, like every industry in the world, from IT to real estate to the mobile phone companies, every industry in the world has people who criticize it. Now, network marketing is not exempted from it. If not, we have more people criticizing us than ever. All right? We have critiques at every turn of the road, behind every rock, hiding behind every coconut tree, anywhere in the world where there's a coconut tree. All right? And they'll criticize this industry. Now, why do they criticize this industry? Number one, they don't understand it. All right? Number two, it's not a traditional concept of business or entrepreneurship. All right? It's quite unique, quite different. Because companies like QNet in network marketing allow the common man and common woman with the uncommon dream to actually make a lot of money. All right? Now, this will never be understood by the world. So, if you Google QNet, you're going to find some negative information, all right? Scary information, but don't panic. All right? There's negative and scary information about practically every company in the world. So don't become just another person who believes everything they read. Find out the facts for yourself. All right? Now, so after we had our critiques comment about us and the challenges we had to build a multi-million-dollar organization over 15 years, it was a battle which we won, because now we're one of the big boys in network marketing, or one of the big girls in network marketing, to be gender neutral. All right? We had to strengthen our brand name. For who? Not for you. Because you're going to check out the facts and believe. All right? But there are people who just read something and believe immediately. I don't know why, but they exist all over the freaking planet. So we have to strengthen our brand name to tell you that we are a serious network marketing company, that we are a reliable network marketing company, that you can trust us. So we started partnering with some of the strongest names around the world. QNet, from the time it started, we have partnered with the United Nations. All right? I hope you trust the United Nations. All right? FIFA, unbelievable organization. World Olympic Council. All right? We partnered with governments. We partnered with sporting events all around the world. Then we got involved in the most exciting, all right, sports in the world, Formula One. And we became the only network marketing company sponsoring the Marussia Virgin Racing team, where Richard Branson was involved, then Russian millionaires were involved, and we were a sponsor, all right? And QNet was on the car, right? Check it out, Google, all right? You check out everything, and we were highly acclaimed for being the only network marketing company on the Formula One platform, the most expensive sport in the world, the most luxurious sport in the world, and I was there at every race, from Monaco to Silverstone to Abu Dhabi to Sepang Circuit, all right? Unbelievable experience. And then we wanted to take it one notch higher. So we decided, what is the most watched sport in the world? All right? Not me running around, okay? I thought so also. All right? It's football or soccer, something you must be familiar with. No matter where you come from, you cannot avoid football. It's all over, Nike, Adidas, everyone is shouting football. And we chose a league, one of the most watched leagues in the world, English Premier League. And we chose who? The champions, Manchester City Football Club. And we are their official direct selling / network marketing partner. All right, so we partner with them. When you see them play football in their home stadium, Etihad Stadium, you can see QNet everywhere. We got videos, we got endorsement, we got everything. Now that puts us to a whole new level. Now, if you don't trust us, all right, and you have trouble after reading everything in Google, let me tell you one thing. Manchester City, all right, use the same Google you are using, and they trust us. The champions of the English Premier League trust to put our brand name all over their stadium, all over their whole team. You understand? So that's what we have done. To tell the world that we are here, we are genuine, and we're here to stay. All right? And for another 15, another 15, another 15 years. Now, a network marketing company like QNet, all right, being online, great advantage. Globalized opportunity, great advantage. Exciting brand name, some bad stuff and some great stuff. That's the reality of the business world today. And then we talk about products, because every network marketing company retails amazing products. Now, if you Google network marketing, you will see millions of products, okay, millions, from nutrition to things you can put in your hair and things you can attack your mother-in-law with, whatever, right? The array of products in network marketing has expanded tremendously over the past 100 years. Right? Back in 1998, we kicked off with the most unique product, right? Nobody could predict it. We retail limited edition gold and silver coins, minted by the oldest private mint in Germany called B.H. Myers Mint, who are our partners. Right? They were established in 1871. Okay? So we partnered with them and launched some of the most unique products you're seeing here today. All right? From Mahatma Gandhi coin, Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King. We had great personalities, great locations, everything. We even distributed coins for FIFA, for the World Olympic Council. All right? But we knew that coins wouldn't take us to the whole new level. We had to enhance our product range. And then we realized what everyone in the world was excited about. That's going on vacation, staying in hotel, and staying in exciting resorts. So we launched a whole array of club vacation membership products, whereby you purchase a product from QNet and you can go for holiday anywhere. Now, that was the beginning of what I would say one of the most exciting products of QNet today. We own resorts today in Thailand, in Malaysia, in Turkey, and we partner with hundreds of resorts, hotels, executive suite apartments all over the world to give you access to pick and choose where you want to go. Now, from there, we obviously realize that one of the most luxurious items everyone wants to own in the world is this, a beautiful timepiece. You call it a watch, I call it a timepiece. Now, we started distributing or retailing, all right, watches. Then we realized that the only watch respected in the world, all right, reality check, the only watches respected in the world are Swiss-made watches, all right, made in Switzerland, all right, by a dude who has like years of watch manufacturing skill set, all right. And what did we do? We basically wanted to own our own watch manufacturer in Switzerland. So QI, mom and dad, our parent company, purchased and own today Cimier, one of, all right, the most well-established watchmakers in Switzerland. All family owned, we bought it, beautiful. They make beautiful watches, and we retail it on QNet under the brand name Bernard H. Meyer or B.H. Meyer. Okay, so we had watches. Then we realized that the world is talking about the most exciting topic called education, education, education. My parents told me that the most important thing in life is education. So did your parents, I'm sure. So what we did, we wanted to take education to every corner in the world. How do you do it? You can't run classes around the world. So we go back to our unique selling proposition. We are online. We partnered with an amazing university in Switzerland and launched a whole array of online education courses. Now, to put the icing on the cake, QI, our parent company, decided to build their own university in Malaysia called Quest International University Perak, which is a state up north of Kuala Lumpur. And we own our own university with a medical faculty and everything. And this university is going to help enhance our product range, all right, for education. So there you have it. All right, we started with coins, we went into vacation club membership, we went into watches, all right, and then we went into education. And then we realized that the whole world was talking about wellness, nutrition, alternative wellness methods like energy products. So we launched a whole range of products, nutrition products, energy products, all high technology made in Europe, will blow your mind. You can get more details from where? www.qnet.net, as simple as that. All right, the whole range of exciting products. I can go on for hours talking about products, but you just go talk to the person who gave you this video, go online to www.qnet.net and choose the products. All right, now from products, every network marketing company operates by offering you a very exciting compensation plan or compensation module. What it means is, all right, QNet has to pay you money. That's why you become an entrepreneur. Now, how does a network marketing company afford to pay you money? All right, first let me teach you a lesson in marketing, if you're willing to listen. All right, every company around the world sells something, whether it's good or services. All right, goods or services. Every company in the world sells goods and services, as simple as that. Now, how do they get people to know about them? All right, advertising, expensive endorsements like, Tiger Woods, Tom Cruise, Ronaldo, all these people, Padman Senathirajah, okay? All right, and they get expensive people, all right, to endorse their products. That's why every sporting game, every event around the world, you see people endorsing. Now, that costs a lot of money. So companies which make a lot of revenue spend a lot of their profit, all right, for promotions, advertising and promotions, okay? Now, QNet doesn't follow that route completely. We do a little bit of endorsement, marketing, advertising, just a little bit. But the bulk of the profit QNet makes, it pays to people like you and me, independent representatives who travel the world, talk to our friends and relatives promoting QNet products. Why would you do this? Because it's in our DNA, all right? It's called word of mouth marketing. It has been around since your great-great-grandfather's time. Let me give you a little bit of explanation. You go to a great restaurant, you have a great vegetarian meal, all right? And then you love it so much, you come back home. Are you going to keep quiet and go to sleep? No. You're going to talk. Word of mouth, remember? You're going to talk. You're going to talk to your wife, you're going to talk to your mom, your mother-in-law also, your neighbors, everyone, and you're going to say, oh my God, I had a great meal in that restaurant. Now, these people you talk to are going to get excited, all right, because you promoted the restaurant to them. And they are going to go to that restaurant and they're going to spend money and eat and enjoy their dinner, lunch, breakfast, supper, all right, because you recommended the restaurant. Now, you've been doing this since you were this high. Now, how much money do you make? Nothing. So this is the funny thing. I've been promoting clothing, movies, restaurants, coffee shops, cars, watches to thousands of people in my whole career of life. And I haven't made any money, and I've made everyone else richer day by day because of my word of mouth. Now, what QNet does, it takes the same philosophy, but this time, guys, you get paid for talking. So how does QNet pay you? They pay you through a compensation model. Why does QNet pay you? Because you talk to people, talk to people, talk to people, and you refer them. Tell them, go check out www.qnet.net, or you show them everything on a piece of paper with your laptop in Starbucks or your living room or the kitchen table. That's why you're watching this video. All right? Now, you're one person watching this video, but QNet has millions of people like you. So imagine right now while I'm making this video, all right, just this past few minutes, thousands of people around the world have bought a product from QNet because somebody told them about QNet. Word of mouth. Now, are you going to do this for free? Never do anything for free. Are you going to get paid? Yes. How do you get paid? There is a compensation plan. Now, don't have fear. Don't panic with the word compensation plan. It's a mathematical formula with a lot of technical stuff which calculates to perfection to pay you a commission based on how many people you talk to and how many people who you talk to purchase a product from QNet. As simple as that. Now, we have the most exciting, sexiest compensation plan in the industry, simply called Q10. It offers you 10 ways to earn, making us a whole new level of network marketing company. It is unbelievable. So check it out. You get more details, all right, from the person who gave you this video or set in Starbucks or your living room for you, all right? Now, the compensation plan pays you money, all right? As your business grows and grows and grows, the more money you earn. Now, you may be wondering, how does my business grow? I said, talk to people, talk to people, talk to people. So imagine for 1 minute, you talk to 2 people. Just 2. Do you know 2 people who want to become an entrepreneur, make a lot of money, and change their life completely? Yes. I know 200. Let's assume you only know 2. Now, these 2 people purchase a product from QNet. Doesn't look like much. Looks quite pathetic in the beginning, you know, honestly. It's you, your best buddy, and your brother. All right? They bought a product from QNet, online, www.qnet.net, everything cool. They Googled, but they said, if Manchester City can trust this company, I trust this company. All right? If Formula One trusts this company, I trust this company. All right? Simple as that. Okay? Now, these 2 people are going to talk to some more people. Let's assume they are like you. They only know 2 people in the world who they can convince, all right, to become an entrepreneur and buy a great product from QNet. They talk to 2 each. Now, that's 2 becoming 4. See, I'm good in maths. All right? Now, these 4 only talk to 2 people. All right? That's 8. Now, go with the flow. 16. All right? 32. 64. 128. 256. 512. 1024. 2048. 4096. And I can keep going and going and going, but your TV is not big enough, guys. All right? So imagine, what did you do? You purchased a product, great product from QNet. You spoke to 2 people. Now, can you speak to more people? Of course, you must. You can talk to 10 people, 25 people. The more people you talk to, the more money you make with the compensation plan. All right? So I have been doing this business for years and I'm still talking to people. All right? Because the world has 6.4 billion people and new babies are being born every single day. People are turning 18 years old every single day. It's unlimited supply of people that you and your organization can talk to on a daily basis. Now, that's QNet. Simply put, what is it? It's a network marketing company. Been around for over 15 years. Offices around the world. Logistics solutions for every corner of the world. Great products. 100% online. All right? Can you trust this company? Do your research. Yes, you can. We've got bad news about us, but we've got great news about us, like every other company. So you have to make an educated decision. How do you make money? Q10, the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. What do you need to do? Talk to people, talk to people, talk to people, and keep talking to people. As simple as that. So I, as Padman Senatiraja, all right, living proof of success in QNet, want to simply welcome you to the most exciting business opportunity which is right now in front of you. Now you need to make a decision, right? Not only to purchase a product, that's a given. We have great products. Buy a nice watch for yourself and your wife, all right? But you need to make a decision to become an entrepreneur, to have this one chance of completely changing the direction of your life, all right? That you don't have to go to work, come back home for the rest of your life. You can become an entrepreneur with a proven industry called network marketing and a proven company called QNet. Asian born, spreading around the world, 100% online, exciting, sexy, all right, with the greatest compensation plan, unbelievable products. What else you need to do? So your decision is simple. It's either yes or yes. So welcome to QNet.